Ooh. Well, damn. On this Junior's Gasoline Alley, I'm going to show you how to replace a control arm, hinge pin, and get everything back together on your Losi Tenacity, or in this case, the Losi Lasernut. So to get this done, all you're going to need is a few parts. So they sell them as sets here, but I got a kingpin and hinge pin set. This is for the Tenacity, the pivot mounts also for the Tenacity, and then the plastic covers that keep everything together. Because this comes as a kit, we're obviously going to have way more than we need. But as you can see in that video, one wrong hit really took this out. In fact, it just sheared off the hinge pin. And so the way we have it set up now, this guy is just kind of loose. It looks like the shock shaft is fine, but really we're needing to replace that and the two little bars to get at it. So I'm going to start this video by taking apart the front end. We'll see what parts we do actually have to take off to get this done, but I think it's going to be a fair amount of the front end is coming apart. So go ahead by taking the two front wheels off. This is going to give me the ability to just leave RC car on the wheels, and I'm just going to start by dissecting this side, see what we can get away with taking off and what can stay on. There we go. So we got our control arm off, so it was really just taking apart the front end, and now we got to work on the hinge pin here. So this came apart, and I think it's going to be salvageable. We're definitely going to want to be cleaning up this end. It's all kind of crunched up, but that should kind of clip off, and I think we're going to be okay there. So let's see what all has to come out underneath here. Okay, that comes out. As you can see, that front brace got pretty well mangled on its own. Oh, shit. There you go. It just needed a good yank to get it out. That's what she said. that back one's not nearly as bad as the others. So what we can go ahead and do is take our new parts and then take the new plastic clips. I think that's the one. Those two together. Little screws. Should be able to just kind of slide right back into place. Magic. So right now, we're just going to reassemble, making sure to take our time, not hurt anything. Might as well check the rest of the bolts while we're up here. That one's loose. Take our control arm, this guy here. We'll put in a new hinge pin. Take this guy, and it goes forward, so this will just slide right into place. And we'll take that, we're just going to slide it into place as well. Now we can work on the front of that hinge pin setup. So this is going to go down just like that. Let's do this. Shock to go back in here. Now that that's all back together, we can go ahead and put this upside down again, and we can slide this piece right back into place there. Go ahead and put our RPM bash guard back on. Just like that, our front end's back together here. All good to go. Get that centered up, and woo, suspension working like it should. So now it's as simple as getting some Loctite back on those axle nuts, because this Losi likes to back those off, basically. There we are. It's ready to roll and bash some more. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you had any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed seeing this getting worked on, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you need any of the tools or stuff like that, I've got them linked in the description. So thanks again, and happy bashing.